But what if we get caught?
Just a little farther.
What if someone sees your truck?
Just a little farther.
What if it doesn't work?
It works. You think I'd buy it if it didn't work?
But what if...
I promise we're almost there.
But what if...
Hey, Lou?
What?
We're here.
This is it?
She's beautiful, ain't she?
I hate Cool Ranch.
Lou, would you take the Lord's name in vain?
No?
Would you take a dump in a church?
Hell no.
Then don't blaspheme Cool Ranch Doritos. You just don't do it.
This is stupid.
Oh, come on, man. I thought you wanted my help.
I'm sorry. I'm just nervous.
Don't be nervous. Listen. You do it. You get super hungry. You laugh at shit that's not funny. Then you enter another dimension where up is down, the sun is cold, and animals talk to you. It's harmless. Remember, everything that happens is supposed to happen. What happened to my music? Lou? You broke my speaker!
I had to! It ain't my girlfriend.
It ain't your...
It ain't...
This was a mistake.
No, Roger. She's free.
Lou?
Lou! Lou! Hey, Lou!
Lou?
Lou! Lou! Hey, Lou! Lou? Lou!
All right, Lou. It's time to go bye-bye.
They're beautiful.
Who?